Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. I'm going to try to attempt to show you how to do this part. And I am going to left click, right click. And by doing that, my lines are back. So I might actually have to kind of, maybe in a way, start over. You know, even though maybe not. We'll see in just a second. I am going to make a line go through here. And I think I'm just going to randomly pick an angle. But I'm going to make it quite long. But I want it kind of even with that. So let's tilt it a little bit. You know, kind of make these pieces even. And then I'm going to take another line. You know, I just kind of realized I bet I'm going to have to recolor it all in. So now I need to take, well, you know what, I'm going to do the last one first. No, it's going to be the same distance. I want that same angle on all of them. So I'm just going to make this line longer and just put it right there. And then remember my nudge was like 0.15. I'm going to make a duplicate 0.15. I'm right arrow keying left here, up. I'm going up and to the left. And look, it matches my design right there. And this one might work perfect. So now what I need to do is take my virtual sigma delete key, and I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines to kind of give me a better look. And what I need to do now is delete these two lines because nothing's going to be there. Okay? I'm going to delete these two and these two. These two and these two. This one and this one. I think this is going to work, folks. It would be nice if I could virtually segment delete. And you know, you ought to be able to. You know what? It's going to work, I think. You just kind of got to use your imagination. Like you won't be able to see that line. And if you mess up, you can always go back. I think I messed up. Tell you what, I'm going to just go back because that needs to be there. Maybe this line doesn't need to be there. And these two lines went too far. That's what I was saying in the first video. Nope, I'm messing up. I'm going to leave it like it was. I think the top is good. Maybe. Okay, set your nudge factor back on 2. Well, 3. We're going to put it on 3 inches. And we're going to smart fill this in black. Oh. That's going to be yellow. I think that's it on that one. So I'm going to go ahead and nudge out the black. It did help me having it like that. Now I'm going to combine this. And I'm going to nudge it over again. Now I'm going to do the other black, which will be this, this, that little bitty piece, that piece, and that's good. Now nudge this over just once so we could combine it. I just think combine's going to work better in this case because of the fact that we're going to, it's going to take away all the lines. Now we can go with our yellow. And see, I did pretty good, but you know, virtually segment delete, I should have deleted that line, and then that way my yellow will flow and I won't have so many pieces. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And I think I got it. Now, I can nudge this one over, and now I can nudge my yellow just over once. And combine it. Now, I never erased this in case I messed up, and I didn't. And it's a lot closer, so what I was gonna say, I'd move this out of the way. That's a lot closer to original, a little bit different of an angle, and what's really kind of different about it, if we, it's using the same color background, so if we take a square box and make it our yellow, go up to object, order, back of page, it's gonna look pretty close to dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.